There are so many converters in the UK that can get a bit of cardboard and create what you want. So we've gone down as far as Benfleet in Essex, a competitor of Reedbut, to make sure we're not complacent in the marketplace. But 9 times out of 10 it comes back to Reedbut because they know us inside out.
There's probably a number of people with the facilities that I'd need for my end product, but it's a service that we get from Reedbut. You get in touch with them, you ask for something, they get back to you. And if they can't tell you there and then, they promise to get back to you, and they do.
When we buy a carton, we're not just buying a carton, we're buying a service, a design service, a stock holding service. Value for money is what we're looking for, yeah, and we get that. Obviously, we had a cardboard supplier, and it was when business started to change, so we had to rationalise, look at new things. Went to our current suppliers, said what we wanted, and the answer was always, yeah, we can do that, but it costs you money. Yeah, we can do that, it costs you money. So we started looking around, found Reedbut, and they just had a can-do attitude. In terms of that, it was you order something, you got it in. There was no stock holding, and we had a warehouse full of cardboard, and that's not what you want. You want a just-in-time attitude, and that's what we got now.
I've been dealing with Reedbut for 15 years. Relationship's been very good. I haven't been caught out many occasions over the years, but when I have been caught out with stock, I sometimes have rung and asked if they can deliver the next day to do me a favour, and they've offered to get the goods to me the same day. I think Reedbut are reasonably competitive. I shouldn't say reasonably, they are competitive. If they weren't, I wouldn't deal with them.
They do most, I say 99% of our packaging. Sometimes we have discrepancy in the amount of cartons we hold in stock. And Reedbut provide a 24-hour turnaround because of their shift system here, which is unusual for a converter. Normally, we don't ask for that 24-hour turnaround. We normally have a 3-day turnaround. Now, if you put that against their competitors, they're usually 7 to 10 days. So it's quite an asset to have. I have recommended Reedbut on several occasions in the past. And one of the reasons is loyalty to their customers. Doesn't matter how much you spend with Reedbut, if you've got a problem and you've got an urgent problem, they will react to that.
Outside of Reedbut, there hasn't been a lot in the last 15 years. I wouldn't say that many other people have done anything really wrong. It's just that Reedbut seem to have a better understanding and a better relationship than the others, and that's what makes a difference.
Cost is important, but having trust in your supplier is also very important. So if we switch to a cheaper company, that trust wouldn't be there. But we do regularly try, every 12, 18 months, we'll see what's out there if anyone's better. But at the moment we haven't, and we haven't for the last 10 years or so.